Hello, sorry for keeping my dear flavor seekers waiting. Your bro-mate host, Gina, is back. In this video, let's talk about 6 famous sauces from southern China. If you have tried more than 4 of them, you know pretty well about Chinese cuisine. The first one is the famous soy sauce, 酱油. In Cantonese, they are separated into light soy sauce, 生抽, normally used for flavoring and dipping, and dark soy sauce, 老抽, for coloring. 酱油 plays a crucial role in Chinese cuisine, as it's used to enhance the flavor, texture, and overall enjoyment of the dish. In stir-frying, for example, sauce is essential as it helps to coat and infuse the ingredients with flavor. Oyster sauce, 蚝油. The fun fact is, 蚝油 was created by chance in Canton. The owner of a small eatery forgot to turn off the fire when he was cooking the oyster broth and discovered the oyster sauce. It's the main ingredient in southern China because of the distinct umami flavor when you use it to stir fries, noodles, and even marinades. 沙茶sauce, 沙茶酱, is a popular sauce from the Chaoshan region in China, known for its unique flavor, which is rich and slightly spicy. It would definitely make your taste bud tingle with delight. Combined with soybean oil, garlic, shallots, chili, and dry shrimp, it's kind of like a tasty blend of barbecue sauce and seafood. It's commonly used as a dipping sauce for grilled meats, hot pots, and even noodles. XO sauce from Hong Kong is my all-time favorite, consisting of boiled dry scallop, dry shrimp, dry ham, garlic, onions, and chili peppers. Trust me, its unique and incredible taste will blow your mind. Among versatile usage, I love to use it as a dipping sauce for dumplings and an extra flavor when stir-frying noodles. Spicy lover, are you ready to feel the heat? 剁椒酱, a kind of salty chopped chili sauce from Hunan province, which is known for its bold and fiery flavor. It's often used as a seasoning and condiment for stir-fried and steaming dishes. The most famous one is the 剁椒鱼头, steaming fish head with 剁椒酱. It tastes much better than it sounds, trust me. How many of these sauces have you tried? Let me know in the comment. In our next video, we will explore sauces from northern China. Stay tuned. Bye!